Back with another wig review. This one was sent to me from my real MVP SOGOODSHOP. This is a Bobbi Boss wig, Mrs. Claire, and we are going to review her in the color F430. Now this wig has no combs at all. All it has is an adjustable strap, so it's going to be really comfortable. But you do want to make sure you use the adjustable strap so it doesn't come flying off of your head. Now straight out of the pack, this is what it's supposed to look like. Very pretty. I really like the curls, and I had a feeling it was going to give me a really cute wet look, which it did, but it has no parting. So yeah, it's one of those wigs that is made for the aunties that don't have time for all that extra fluff, but you will not have a really nice part with this wig. You're gonna have to go old school, which is really funny because I just showed you guys how to go back old school with the last wig that I reviewed, and I'm pretty much going to do that with this one too, because it's pretty much like a half wig at this point when you cannot part it anywhere. So we're going to leave out some hair, and depending on how thick your hair is, you're going to want to add some mousse or some edge control to blend it in. But I lucked out and my hair was just enough to blend in and not really look that obvious. So all you need is a little bit just to kind of cover that edge, and it came out really nice. I actually really liked it. The texture is beautiful and it feels really nice and weightless. So I love this style, and I think it's really cute and really easy because you don't have to worry about a part or blending. You just throw it on, leave out some hair, and go. So yeah, I really like this wig. I would definitely recommend it, and the link will be down in the description box if you would like to purchase it. Stay royal.